Hello everyone, my name is Simran Suresh Shinde. We are from Team Miners. We are here to represent our first activity under the Skill Development Club, that is the introduction. First of all, I will introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Simran Suresh Shinde. I am from Sangli. Currently, I am studying in BTech Mechanical Engineering in Government College of Engineering, Karad. I completed diploma from Government Polytechnic Kolhapur with aggregate of 95.75%. I completed schooling from Kulkarni High School, Ranjani. I have 3-month work experience in GE India Industrial Private Limited. In that, I worked in radiographic testing and hydropressure testing. I completed 1-month internship in Rajgrove Industries, Kolhapur. Mainly, I did 2 projects, namely as first is testing of mini Pelton wheel turbine and another is air purifier using vaporizer filter. Currently, I am working on project TIFFER. The theme of the project is Onion Harvester, which is a national level competition organized by SA India. I am disciplined, hardworking and punctual. I like cooking, making rangoli and mehendi. Thank you. That's all about me. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Pratik Mirzapure. I am from Amravati. I have completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic Amravati with the aggregate percentage of 95.75%, and I am currently pursuing mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. From last 1.5 years, I am practicing graphic designing and user interface designing, and from past few months, I am learning web development. I am familiar with the technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I am also pretty good at the software like Figma, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, etc. In last 1.5 years, I worked with some prominent brands like National Engineering Olympiad, AccuJob, Super CA, Start Smart Investment Solution, and many more. I am also the founder and CEO of small startup named as a Social Pillow. Social Pillow is a one-stop solution for all your designing and media need. Under Social Pillow, currently we are working with 11 brands with a team of 5 people. In last quarter, we have generated the revenue of 2.1 lakh. Apart from this, I am also designing my own productivity booster app, and I am on my way to write my first book on money management. I am also interested in stock market. I have a hobby of watching documentaries and web show. I believe in implementation with the proper planning, and I always take challenges that enables me to grow. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Datta Gaikwad. I'm 20 years old. I'm from a Nasik city. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech degree in Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Talking about my past education, I did my SSC from Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Vidyalaya and Junior College, Shinde, Nasik. Then my HSC from KJ Mehta School and College from Nasik. Then I did my diploma from Government Polytechnic Avsari, Pune, in a mechanical engineering, and I did my capstone project in a diploma called as weed cutter, which is basically working model. On the basis of diploma, I did the job in JCB Private Limited. Uh, JCB Private Limited as a robot operator diploma trainee. Then talking about my interest, I love singing, dancing and to playing a chess. Languages I know are English, Hindi and Marathi. I have the good leadership quality, and yes, I'm so much enthusiastic and ready to get and learn more and more new things and implement it in an practical life. So yes, it's totally about me. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you so much to one and all for giving me this opportunity. My name is Kartika Nirav Chainpure, and presently I am pursuing BTech degree of Mechanical Engineering from the Department of Mechanical Department of Government College of Engineering, Karad. Till now, I have participated in 5 project level competitions, from which 2 are national level events and 3 are college level events. I have also completed Python internship which was provided by our college in the late first year. Coming up to my earlier studies, I have also completed 10th in 2017 by 90%, 12th in 2019 by 75%, and coming up to my personal level interests, I'm interested in traveling, and I have a great interest of learning new things which I don't know. Now, coming up to my skills, I'm good in team leading, team bonding, and good in English language. That's all from my side. I'm ready for your questions.
Hello, my name is Jay Kamre. I'm 20 years old and I'm a resident of Kalyan. I completed my high school from Sri Vani Vidyashala High School. Then I went on to pursue my diploma in mechanical engineering from Agnel Polytechnic Vashi. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech program in mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. I have done my internship in Maruti Suzuki where I have learned maintenance, detailed analysis, servicing and troubleshooting of vehicles along with industrial safety. I made a project on a cold pressed oil extraction machine for edible oil. I have also written a research paper on 4D printing, future of additive manufacturing. I like learning new things. I am also very fond of public speaking and working with a team. Some of my hobbies are writing, reading, swimming, and traveling across the country. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sriyar Shashok Gadak. I live in Ahmednagar district. I am here to introduce myself. About my schooling, I have studied in DePaul English Medium School, Rowry Factory. There, during my schooling, I have participated in various sports events as well as extracurricular activities. I have scored 85% in my 10th. After that, I admitted to for my diploma in mechanical engineering in Savindra Jawan Polytechnic, Pune. There, I have worked on multiple mini projects as well as a major project which was in sponsorship with Limson Engineering Private Limited, namely a design and fabrication of a lead screw operated machine mechanism which was set under the plasma cutting machine bed. There I have also led and organized the department institute level program called Siangad Karandak. And after that, during my diploma, I did a internship which was of 6 weeks in Proactive Engineering Services, Pune. After that, I scored 96% in my diploma. Then I am currently pursuing my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I worked on a project called Air-Based Purifier. We have designed it ourselves. Talking about my skills, I have a good and confident presentation skills. I am a quick learner and I am punctual about time. And talking about my hobbies include gardening, traveling, and cooking. So that's all about myself. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
So good morning. I am glad to introduce myself and thankful for giving an opportunity to introduce myself. So basically, my name is Sahil Naushad Nadaf. I belongs to Maharashtra state of Satara district. Coming to my academic qualification, I have completed my schooling from Krishna English Medium School, Watar, and further I have completed my higher education from Government Polytechnic Karad in Mechanical Engineering. And currently, I am pursuing a degree in Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. Regarding my technical skill, I have acquired and well known about AutoCAD and CATIA software, and I am much familiar about C language. Also, I am learning C and C++ language currently. During my academics, I have gone through various projects. Some of they are mini projects and some of they are major projects. Some mini projects are multi-tool operation machine, water-based air humidifier, etc. And one of the major project I recall that is atomized handicap tricycle. Apart from this, during my academics, I have gone through various activities in which I am a vice president of Mesa Club, through which I can build a skill like leadership and teamwork. Additionally, I have completed a 6-week training in NP Motor, which is a service station of Tata Motors. Coming to my strength, I am a quick learner, a positive thinker, multitasking, and helping in nature. My hobbies are swimming, daily exercising, playing volleyball, also playing a kabaddi. And my goals is to get a job in reputed companies and to learn new things and new technologies in companies, and which will help this knowledge in companies growth as well as the development of our nation. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Adrees Ahmed Qureshi. I'm basically from Jammu and Kashmir. I did my diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic College Kupwara with aggregate of 75%. Currently, I am studying BTech in mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering Karad. I did 1 month internship in the power project NHPC UD. I did one project air purifier using water as filter. My strengths are I am self-motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person. My hobbies are listening to music, playing cricket, cooking, reading books, etc. That's all about me. Thanks again for this opportunity.
Hello everyone, I am Sabaka Sultan. I am from JNK. I did my diploma in mechanical engineering from Polytechnic College, Kupwara with aggregate of 76%. Currently, I started BTech in mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I did my 1 month internship in Jamkash, Kupwara. My hobbies are playing cricket, playing football, etc. That is all about me. Thank you very much.